Ooh, it's hot. Well, at least I remember to turn on my GoPro today. What's happening, hooligans? It is 5:07 on June 16th, 2021, Wednesday, hump day. Mike, what day is it? Mike, what is it? And it's 100 degrees out right now. Ugh. I always wear a full face helmet now, but it's so miserable in this heat. I'm not wearing a jacket though. I would be having heat stroke if I was wearing a jacket right now. Woo, it's warm. Anyways, like I said, on the way to work this morning, I forgot to start my damn GoPro. And of course, it was a morning when all kinds of cool stuff happened. I had someone almost run me off the road. Saw a big old car crash in front of me. Saw an industrial fire that was just getting going. Saw this tractor going across the road. This lady was chasing this naked dude down the street in a John Deere. I mean, everything happens and I don't have my camera on. I was like, I'm gonna have some great content. Oh, that's how it goes though. You ever have one of those days? You go on a ride, you get some great footage, or you think you get some great footage, and you get home to nothing? Oh, that sucks. Oh well, probably won't be anything to see on the way home after a morning like that. Oh, and I forgot, there was a horse chasing a cow down the road. That was weird too. No rider. There was just a cow on the road with the horse behind it, and they were both running. Running cow. He was trying to be a skinny cow. Oh well. Got my new gloves. So I'm doing the old testaroo here to see what's the best fuel mileage I can get on the old Grom. I'm riding normal instead of racing, just to see if how close I can get to that average high is 134 miles to the gallon. I think the best I've done so far is about 80 miles to the gallon one time. I think I average right around 75 miles a gallon. So we'll see. I haven't been getting on it real hard, accelerating nice and easy. We'll see what kind of mileage she gets. This is the third day riding it to work, and I have 2 bars. I think typically when I'm on my way home, I'm always at 1 bar when I get home on the third day, and sometimes the fuel light's blinking on the third day. So we'll see today. If I doubt I can make it back home before hitting the final bar, because I hit the other one like halfway. It dropped to 1 bar like halfway on the way to work. Seems like it drops the bar about every 17 miles, I think, what it was averaging. It is so hot. I feel like I'm in a big old convection oven right now. I said it's 100 degrees, my phone said when I left work. Ugh, this sucks. But we don't typically have too many hot days like that here. Usually 90s is where when it gets hot in the summer. We do have, the 100-degree days like today. I think the hottest has probably been is mid-hundreds. It was even 97 or 98 in San Luis Obispo today. I'm in Paso, so I'm more inland than SLO. But even SLO got up to, I think it was 98 degrees today. That is pretty warm. Even like the beach, looking at Morro Bay and Pismo, it was the high 80s and low 90s even on the beach today. Got a little heat wave coming through. Fresno, I think it was like 110. So at least it's not that hot. Actually, I think someone posted 111 in Fresno today. And then I got some friends in Arizona that are 119, I think it got. I forgot where he was. I have a couple friends in Arizona. They were all posting like above 115 degrees today everywhere. And I think one of them was 119. We'll just leave my face mask up, but I don't want to take a bug to the face. Hey, anybody got any recommendation for some good earbuds to wear while you ride? I'm wearing the ones that came with my Android, and they work their way out within about 5 minutes of riding. It's like they're still on my helmet, but I can feel them. They're sitting in my ear area. I can still hear the music okay at this speed, but you can tell they're not in my ear anymore. They're just like resting there. I was looking online trying to find some earbuds that are made for wearing under helmets. I found one that had it had lots of good reviews, but only one from a motorcycle rider. It was 5 stars, said they worked great. There were some Google earbuds. I guess I could I think, don't those Cenas and stuff, the Bluetooth that go in the helmet, aren't those, can't you listen to music on those? I don't know, I've never had a Cena or any type of those Bluetooth setups in my helmet. This helmet it's got the cutouts for the Cena. That is why I bought it, but then I never got the Bluetooth communications stuff for this helmet. So it does have the cutout for the Cena on the outside and for the speakers on the inside, so I could use one of those. Do any of you use something like a Cena to listen to music? Or is it even possible? I haven't even researched them or anything. Like I said, I just use the earbuds that came with my phone under my helmet when I want to listen to music, which typically I'm not a big listening to music person. I like hearing my Harley engine. Is that weird? But with the Grom, there's nothing really to hear. It sounds like I'm on, if it sounds like a lawnmower's running, you know, I'd rather have something to listen to. On the ride home every day, it would be kind of nice to listen to something and unwind. Like I said, though, it's like if I'm on the Dyna or the Sportster, I don't find myself wanting to listen to anything. Is that weird? It's just on this thing. Oh, it is so warm. Hey, at least if I was sweating, I'd probably have my my armpits would probably dry pretty fast. I just hold them up in the wind there. Get an armpit dryer. Anybody behind me? Nope. Okay, 1 bar. 77.7 miles, and we got 1 bar left. I don't think I'll attempt to ride it tomorrow. I don't think I feel like doing that. 67, did you see it? I hit 67 miles an hour. Oh, I think that's officially the fastest I've gone on the Grom. It was downhill, and I'm pretty sure I got the wind in my back because I'm not really feeling the wind too much as I usually do. Woohoo! We're cruising along at 60 pretty good right now. Did I pick up a bar? Oh, I even gained a bar on the fuel. I must be going downhill. The fuel's moving back towards the front of the tank and lifting the flow to the sensor for the fuel gauge. Maybe I will attempt to bring it to work tomorrow. See, we got 2 bars and I'm not even blinking yet. And we're to the final road here. Oh, back to 1 bar. Maybe I will attempt to make it tomorrow. It's not blinking yet. Woo. Alright, YouTube, well, until next time, remember, ride like everybody's a hired assassin trying to kill you. Stay safe out there. Peace. What is this idiot doing?